In this video, let me show you how to fix YouTube Shorts upload limit problem. If you're facing upload limits while uploading shorts onto YouTube, that is because you'll need to find the advanced settings and then enable a few settings in order for you to upload more videos in the YouTube Shorts platform. So what you need to do is head over to YouTube Studios from your desktop version, or you can also do this process from the mobile app using the web browser. Once you're inside of YouTube Studios, you'll be able to see these option of settings, and once you're inside of settings inside of channel, you'll be able to see the advanced features right here. You need to enable this feature but by adding in your video verification, a valid ID, or you can also do it through the channel history, but the easier way is going to be through the video verification or the valid ID, which you can easily upload within a few minutes. So once you enable the advanced feature inside of YouTube, you should have your limits higher and you should be able to upload multiple videos in a particular day. So once you manage this setting, you will be able to fix the YouTube Shorts upload limit problem. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.